What is going on, everybody? Welcome to another Studio Saturday. Today we have a very short tutorial, and we are going to be discussing why my camera won't focus on my face. Now we're going to actually be discussing how to move in Photoshop quickly, or the secret zoom tool. So we're going to open up in Photoshop right now. We're going to open it up. We're going to go through some Photoshop stuff. So here's the image that we have. I've already done all the corrections and stuff like that to it. You can see we already have our image saved. This is what we're going to be doing. So the first thing I'm going to do is I want to remove dust. So this is going to be my dust layer. And here's where it comes into play. So when doing dust, especially on products, I usually zoom rather close in so that I can have the smallest amount of brush possible. So when I do movements like this, it's very minuscule. You don't really pick it up too much. But then if I want to zoom out, I have to hold Alt, scroll, zoom in where I want to go. But there's an easier way to do it. So if I'm working all the way up here, picking off the dust that's on this corner of the headset, and then I want to go all the way to the other side of the headset, all you have to do is press H, click with the mouse hand, and you get this little box that shows up. And then what you do is move this down to where you want to go next, and then release. So it's H, left click, move, release. And that's how you can move around and just kind of tackle a lot of larger scenes and stuff like that a lot quicker, because if you just click, 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 click. So I know I need to move over here next, and now from here I know I'm gonna have to move to my right, but I don't want to slide on this bar to go to my right. So I'm just going to click H, left click, go up here, and I see that one little dot right here. So we're going to get rid of that. H, click, go back down here, and then we're going to get rid of these dots of dust as well. Like so. And that is the secret zoom tool. If you guys didn't know about it, now you do. And I hope that helps you increase your workflow and speed up how quickly you can get in and out of Photoshop and finish your edits. I'll see you guys on next Studio Saturdays. If you did find this video enjoyable, helpful, or in any slight manner likable, hit that like button. If you guys didn't find it enjoyable or you want a new topic for next week, comment down below any topic you want to see for next Studio Saturday. I'm also going to be introducing another set to this series. I'm not sure whether we're going to do Topic Tuesdays or if we're going to go Photoshop Fridays, and then we'll actually take Studio Saturdays and make it where I shoot in my studio. So if you guys are interested in seeing that, please let me know in the comments below. Other than that, I'll see you guys next Saturday.